إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين. Are you reciting like this? This is wrong. So watch this short video and you can recite it without any mistake. Okay, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My Quran friend. I'm a certified Holy Quran recitation trainer and do personal training and making videos about the recitation science of the Holy Quran. Okay, shall we start? Our ayat is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين. صدق الله العظيم. So, in each and every ayat in Quran must be recited with caring of makhraj of each haraf, makhraj and sifat. Okay. So don't lose it in any way. Whenever you recite any piece of Quran, any simple surah, any simple ayat, even a word, you have to care about the makhraj and sifat. Okay. Inshallah. Start. Inna nahnu nuhyil. The noon with shad. Inna. Their hukum is idgham bi gunna. Okay. The noon is sakin. The noon with shad. We have to give gunnat to that noon. Okay. Inna nahnu. The makharaj of ha. Okay. Nahnu nuhyil. Oh my, here the light is gone. Sorry for that. It's okay. And inna nahnu nuhyil. There is no madul asli after the noon. Nahnu. Okay. But I noticed so many people reciting like inna nahnu nuhyil, nahnu nuhyil. They are giving a additional madul asli after the nahnu. Okay. And that is a mistake. Inna nahnu nuhyil. This is the right way. Nahnu nuhyil. Nuhyil. And if you struggling with the ha makharaj and ya makharaj, okay, practice it and it will be clear. Okay. Inna nahnu nuhyil mawta wa naktubu ma qaddamu ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم. المخرج and صفة of قاف, دال, واو, ثا is very important. Okay. وكل شيء أحصيناه. That's not seen, it's صاد. أحصيناه في. This is مد المنفصل. Okay, you have to lengthen it. Okay, we are giving 4 alifs qadr lengthen here. That is Shatwiya tariqa. I will make a video detailed about the qad, riwayat and tariqat. Okay, inshallah. وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام. The meme with shad, we have to give the gunna like noon with shad. Okay, these 2 harafs with shad we have to give the gunna. Noon with shad, meme with shad. Okay. Imamim mubin. And in mubin after ba, this is madul asli. Okay, basically, but at waqf we are giving, that will be a maddul adim. Okay. Imamim mubin. وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين. and the Ghunnatul Asli at the end of the noon. Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. That's all about this video, and dua for me, support me in this journey. And you can search my channel, you can check my channel, find more videos, and all videos are very short, lesser than 10 minutes, okay, duration, and you can watch it and clear your mistakes while your free time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.